Hey guys, welcome back, Lithium. This video I'd like to share with you guys is the new type of EV 235 Ah lithium iron phosphate battery cell. As we know now in the market for 200 Ah around capacity, the choice you can be the CATL 228Ah, the EV 230 Ah, and now they have a new arrival from the EV company for the 235 Ah. So this video, I will do a comparison video for you guys for reference about the CATL 228 Ah, EV 230 Ah, EV 235 Ah, and to see what is their difference and also the price. Follow my camera to see the details. If this new arrival of 235 Ah suitable for your project. Firstly, that is the appearance. If I didn't tell you those three types of lithium iron phosphate battery cell, do you know which one is belong to which capacity? Let's to give a close look of these three types of battery cell. This is the pole design anti-explosion valve, pole design anti-explosion valve, pole design anti-explosion valve. Yes, from the appearance, you will notice this type is different. Then you guys will guess, yes, this is that's the CATL 228 Ah. Yes, this one is CATL 228 Ah. For CATL battery, most of their pole design is round. Yes, this is round design. But for the EVE, most of their battery pole design is this rectangle design. Rectangle shape, yes, different shape. So these two type is the EV 230 Ah and EV 235 Ah. So from the size, you will notice those three type of battery cell share the same size. For the thickness, it is 54 mm, the length is 173, the height is same 204 mm, didn't include the pole height. So here they are all the same at appearance, and the only difference between the CATL 228 Ah and EV 230 Ah is the pole design. For the weight of these three types of battery cell, both of them are at 4.1 kilograms, so the energy density is around 180 watt-hour per kilogram. It is kind of the high energy density compared to the other type of battery cell. And now here is the EV 230 Ah, EV 235 Ah. One is the older design and the other one is the new design, the new coming. From the appearance, both of them all in the same. No matter the height, the weight, or others, they all the same. Only difference is the QR code, and you can see a details of the QR code by the EVE. One is LF230. This is the model number. And for another one, it is LF235L. So from these two types of battery cells, the only difference that can distinguish them is the QR code. For those three types of battery cells, they all are the power battery, which can use for the electric vehicle, electric motorcycle, electric tricycle, especially for the 2-2 car and most powerful applications, which can support 1C for continuous discharge and 3C for the peak discharge. So if your application is need a powerful battery cell, these three types all can suitable for you. And the next, that is the price. I believe the price is mainly point for customer to make the purchase decision. For the CATL 228 Ah, it is the B grade battery cell, and the price is $40 per piece. This is the EVE 230 Ah, the price is $49 per piece. And for this is new arrival, now it is on promotion, the price only $46 per piece. So here is a decision made by you. No QR code, B grade, price USD 40. With QR code, brand new grade A, $49 USD. New arrival, grade A battery cell, USD 46. Which one you like to choose? And next step, let me show you about our stock for those battery cells.